Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 1. We are learning Unit 10. Its title is The Ant and the Grasshopper. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. So, my dear children, today we are going to learn to fill in the speech bubbles. Means there is a speech bubble. You will write words over here by understanding what this person is saying. Before this, in your primer, you have already learned better by looking at picture. You have learned how to complete the word, and we have practiced this concept in grade 1 as well. This is another new thing to it which we are going to learn today. Yes, you have learned to complete a river story in grade 1. You just looked at the picture and you replace this picture with words. Remember, we have practiced this. So we'll learn further to identify and fill in speech bubbles with given appropriate words and formulaic expressions. Brainstorm together ideas for various activities or tasks. These are our today's SLOs. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran Surah Al-Mujadila verse 7. There is in no private conversation 3, but that he is the 4th of them. Nor are there 5, but that he is the 6th of them, and no less than that, and no more, except that he is with them in knowledge wherever they are. Yes, my dear students, what this beautiful verse is telling us. Beta, whenever we are talking, if 3 people are talking, who is with them? Who is the 4th one? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, beta, with Allah's knowledge, Allah is everywhere. And whatever those 3 people are talking, who is listening? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. If there are 5 people talking, the 6th one is Allah. So what this verse is telling us, everywhere Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is listening us. Whatever we say, Allah knows that. So should we say bad words? No, because Allah is listening us everywhere. If you are talking to your friends, if you are talking to your siblings, always speak nicely, beta, because Allah is listening us, right? So whenever we say something, we should be careful. We should not use bad words, okay? So how we say and what we say, how do we find out? Before I tell you, you just tell me, can you identify expressions in a picture? Means by looking at the picture, can you tell the expression, the person is happy or sad or angry? And can you relate speech bubbles and pictures? If I give you a picture and tell me he's happy or sad, can you tell me? So pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear students. Yes, I know you are smart. You can do that. By looking at the picture, he is happy. Now he is angry. Now he is surprised. You see, by looking at the face, by looking at the picture, we can, by looking at the expression, we can find out he's happy now. We can find his smile. Now he's surprised. Oh, what happened? Now, once again, he's happy. And now he is angry. Oh, what happened? You see, but better by looking at the face, by looking at this expression, we can find out what the person is thinking or feeling, right? So this is called how we find out expressions. Now look at her, what she is doing. Wow, she's happy. Yes, by looking at picture, we can find. So what you find, we can say it in words as well. That is called filling a speech bubble. Like what she might be saying, very good, or because she is happy, she's clapping, very good, or well done. Okay, what else? I like it. What you did, I like. So this is what she is feeling. We can write it in speech bubbles. I did it. Yes, I did it. Cheer for me. Wow. So by looking at the picture, we filled up the speech bubble, what she is saying. This is known as filling up the speech bubble. By looking at the picture, we just try to find out what that person is thinking, and we write it by filling that she might be saying this. She's saying, very good, well done, I like it, I did it, wow, hooray, whatever, right? Now look at this picture. Oh, she's angry, right? By looking at the picture, we can find out what she might be saying. I'm angry. I do not like it. What you did, I do not like it. Okay. I will not talk. You see, you do that. So this is how better by looking at the face, we can find out what she can say. I don't talk to you, right? This is how we fill up the speech bubbles, by just looking at the picture, what this person might be saying, right? This is how we find out. Now look at her. Oh, what she's saying? She's saying, I'm tired. Or, again, you did that again. Okay. Oh no, right? So, oh, how we find out? By looking at her expressions, what she is feeling and what she can say. Do you understand? Okay, now let's practice it through an activity. Teacher will divide class in pairs. One student will express in actions and the other student have to tell in words. Okay, one will do an action and the other will what he said. For example, if I say, Miss, I got an idea, right? This is how one will do and other will say the word. So pause the video, enjoy this activity and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. You all practiced well. Now let's practice it in your book. All of you, open your book on page number 89. What you will do, there are pictures. For example, this is one of the picture. There are two boys, and out of these words, these expressions, find out what they are saying. Are they saying goodbye or I'm sorry or can you help me? Now, out of these three, which is appropriate for this picture? Yes, it is goodbye, because they are waving to each other. Goodbye, see you tomorrow. This is how you're going to complete it on page number 89. Pause the video, complete this task in your book and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. Now, it's time for your homework. Excuse me. You will draw an emoji in your notebook. Emoji means faces like this, right? And write appropriate expression in speech bubble. Here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practicing to fill up the speech bubbles. So what we have learned today, we learned to fill in the speech bubbles with appropriate expressions, and we achieved our SLO. To identify and fill in speech bubbles with given appropriate words and formalic expressions. Brainstorm together ideas for various tasks. We practice this through activity. So are we done with it? Yes, that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.